All right, you guys, I'm gonna put this at the beginning of the video because I wanted to show you the view from the front door. We got Lake Town Wharf across the way, and then here is your front door, 717, right next to the elevators. So enjoy the rest of the tour. Hey, welcome back, you guys. Sean Casilli, Bay Real Experts, Coldwell Banker Realty in Panama City Beach, Florida, specifically at Shores of Panama, and I am on the balcony checking out the vibes happening in the pool from unit 717, currently listed by Marina Gregorian with Coldwell Banker Realty. And I'm just going to give you a quick buyer's agent preview of this condo. It just turned. The new guests are going to be checking in shortly, so the unit might look a little bit untidy, but we trust you can see past that. So as we enter from the balcony, we saw the living room and the kitchen. Check out the primary bedroom with the Gulf and pool view window right here from your bed. Let's check out the bathroom that is part of this bedroom here. We've got a closet I just passed. And we do have a bunk area in here. So we've got some nice tile floors, granite countertop. And then right inside the front door here, if you were to turn right, you have your bunk room and another bathroom with your laundry here. So I'm going to take you guys back out to the balcony, but I wanted to say, if you like this kind of content, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And let's close out this video by taking you out to the balcony. We'll leave contact information below. If you are interested in purchasing this unit, please give us a call. We'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.